Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. In this video, I'm going to guide you through few shortcuts you can use in Safari browser because knowing these shortcuts will make your Safari browser experience far more better and even faster. Now we are not going to waste any time. We are going to start the video, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's start with the basic shortcut you can use in Safari browser, and that is if you want to open new tab, then either you can go and select this plus option over here and it will open new tab, but instead of that, you can use shortcut, and that is Command plus T. If you press Command plus T on your keyboard, it will open new tab. Now if I keep on pressing Command plus T, you can see I can open multiple tabs like this. Now this was for opening new tab. Now what if I want to close any particular tab? So go to that tab, and instead of pressing Command plus T, this time you have to press Command plus W on your keyboard to close that tab. So yeah, Command plus T is for new tab and Command plus W is for closing the tab. So if I keep on pressing Command W, I can close all the tabs. Now let's talk about shortcut you can use for window. Now currently you can see only one window is open in Safari browser. Let me open a website first. So yeah, only one window is open, and if you want to open new window, so you can use Command plus N, and basically it will open new window. If I keep on pressing Command plus N, I can open multiple windows like this. Now this was for opening new window. What if I want to close a particular window? So for that, you need to use Command Shift and W, and it will close that window. So if I keep on pressing Command Shift W, I can close all the windows. But now you can see Safari browser is still running. So again, if I press on Safari logo or Safari icon, I can open new window. So the next shortcut which I'm going to tell you is about closing all the windows in one go with one single shortcut. First, let me open multiple windows. Now you can see I have multiple windows open over here. Instead of using Command Shift W to close each and every window one by one, I can use one single shortcut, and that is if you press Command Option Shift and W, all the windows will be closed in one go. So yeah, if you don't want to use Command Shift W to close window one by one, you can use this shortcut. So guys, the next shortcut is related to favorites. If you want to directly access websites which are kept in favorites, then how can you do that? See, let's give numbers over here. So Dropbox will be 1, iCloud will be 2. Similarly, it will Yahoo will be 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if I want to open Apple website, you can see it is on 5th position. So I can use shortcut like Option, Command and number key 5, and it will open that particular website. Now this shortcut will definitely help you if favorites is not visible on start page. So if you don't want to give favorites on starting page, you can just go to this edit option. You can uncheck this favorite option, and now you can see favorite is gone from start page. But if I still want to access any particular website from favorites tab, then I'm going to use the shortcut Option, Command and any number key which I want to access. If I press 6, it is going to open YouTube. But yeah, the only thing you need to remember over here is you need to memorize the position of each website. Now the next shortcut is related to settings. Now if you want to do any setting for Safari, we usually go to Safari over here on the menu bar and select settings. But instead of that, you can use Command plus comma on your keyboard and it will open settings tab. Similarly, if you want to access sidebar with shortcut, then you can use Command Shift L and it will open sidebar. Whenever you want to close it, you can again use Command Shift L and it will close the sidebar. After that, if you want to open new private window in Safari, then the shortcut for that is Command Shift and N. It will open private browsing or private window, and in order to close this window, you know the shortcut, that is Command Shift W. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. These are some interesting shortcuts you should definitely know in Safari browser because it is going to make your experience smooth and faster. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.